Welcome to Durban eThekwini eGagasini. It is of course the weekend of the M10-8 semi-finals. Today ke sila eThekwini Moses Mabhida Stadium emdlalweni kweqembu leMamelodi Sundowns. They will be taking on iqembu leStellenbosch FC. Of course, home game ke leStellenbosch FC, and the reason the game has been played in Durban is because ke Stellenbosch FC sinenkinga ekhaya labo laphana ke eCape Town eDanny Craven Stadium. Basebethi cha bona ke bazoqhokela ke iTheku kuba bazodlala ke umdlalo wabo wesibili the semi-final ye-M10-8 against iMamelodi Sundowns. Khumbula ke iyalida ke iStellenbosch FC ngamagoli ke amabili ke ngegoli elodwa rather ke eqandeni 1-0 advantage lana iqembu ke leStellenbosch FC. So umdlalo uzoqala ke ngehora ke lesithathu. As you can see, abantu bayaqala ke bayazingenela khona la eMoses Mabhida Stadium. Gama lami ke uNtobeko wakamzimela wona kufanele ukwenze. Stay tuned only on the African Perspective News Channel.